Welcome, aspiring writers. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of writing? Today, we'll explore the essentials of getting started with writing and share valuable tips to help you develop your skills and unleash your creativity. Let's dive in. The first step in writing is finding your inspiration. Take a moment to reflect on what drives your passion for writing. Is it a personal experience, a vivid imagination, or a desire to share your thoughts and ideas with others? Your unique inspiration will fuel your creativity and shape your writing journey. Once you have your inspiration, it's time to create a writing routine. Set aside dedicated time for writing each day or week, and make it a habit. Consistency is key in honing your skills and making progress in your writing endeavors. Before diving into a full-fledged writing project, it's helpful to brainstorm ideas and create an outline. Jot down your thoughts, develop characters, and outline the main plot points. This process will provide structure and guidance as you bring your ideas to life. Don't let self-doubt hold you back. Embrace the power of the first draft, and allow yourself to write freely without judgment. Remember, the first draft is just the beginning, and you'll have plenty of opportunities to revise and refine your work later. Editing and revising are crucial steps in the writing process. Review your work with a critical eye, checking for grammar, flow, and clarity. Seek feedback from trusted sources to gain valuable insights and perspectives on your writing. Embrace the joy of reading to improve your writing skills. Explore various genres, styles, and authors to expand your knowledge and gain inspiration. Reading exposes you to different writing techniques and helps you develop your own unique voice. Today, I encourage you to take the first step and start your writing journey. Find your inspiration, establish a writing routine, brainstorm ideas, embrace the first draft. Edit and revise, and immerse yourself in the world of writing. Writing is a rewarding and fulfilling endeavor, and with dedication and practice, you can achieve your writing goals. Thank you for joining me on this adventure into the world of writing. Remember, every great writer started with a blank page, and it's through your words and imagination that stories come to life. Embrace the power of writing, express yourself, and let your creativity soar. Until next time.